turned it off. Look at that dust. So I've got all those trucks lined up over there. And the wind picks up. We're supposed to have 60-mile-an-hour gusts today. The wind picks up and that dust comes going so bad that you can't see anything. So the two cranes to the right side of the screen there, that's two frac sites going at the same time. Don't know why they're doing that. The blue truck and the two white trucks in the center, that's right behind that is downtown Midland. Of course, every time I turn my camera on, I can't get a good example of, I can see those trucks and I can see nothing with the dust or the sand dust, whatever it is. Jeez Louise. So Mike didn't get to paint my roof today because it's so windy. He's gonna have to probably wait till tomorrow. Okay. Look at that. You cannot see anything out there. This is crazy. So here, my sign keeps blowing down. One of the trucks ran over it. Okay, now you're starting to see the trucks. Oh, this wind. 60-mile-an-hour gust, they say, and it's been doing it off and on all day long. Cray cray. Oh, here it comes again. Okay, ciao babies.
Gentlemen and my ladies, thank you so much for watching this video of Big Girl Bling. Savvy? If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up if you want to, or I'll cut it off. We'll see to that. Or you could subscribe to the channel or share with your friends. You know the stuff. Just do it because I told you, but don't tell anyone I've told you. Savvy?